Hi, welcome to this Corbettmaths video. In this video, we're going to look at the video solutions to the money questions that involve coins. If you need any extra help on money and coins, go to corbettmaths.com/contents and scroll down to video number 400A. Alternatively, you could scan this QR code. In this video, we're going to focus on the video solutions to the practice questions, so let's get started. So question number one. Question number one says, Nisha buys a drink for £2.10 and she pays the exact amount with 4 coins. And the question says, list the coins that she used. So she pays £2.10p with 4 coins. So I'm thinking that perhaps she used a £1 coin, another £1 coin, that's £2. Now she still get 10p to pay with 2 coins, so that's going to be a 5p and then a 5p. And as you can see, she could pay that exact amount of money, £2.10p, with 4 coins. Or there's another option I'm thinking, perhaps she paid with a £1 coin and then a 50p and a 50p coin. That's £2, and then she's only got one more coin because there's 4 coins, so that would be a 10p. She could have a £1, £1, 5p, 5p, or a £1, 50p, 50p, 10p. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 2. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 2. So question number 2 said, Xander buys a book for £10 and a penny, and he pays the exact amount with 1 note and 4 coins. List the note and coins that he used. Now, because he pays with a 1 note and 4 coins, he's not going to use a £10 note, because if he uses a £10 note, he can't pay for the 1p with 4 coins. So in this case, he's going to be using a £5 note. So he's using a £5 note. Let's write that down to begin with. And that means that he pays the rest of it, which is £5 and a penny with 4 coins. Now, if you want to pay £5 and a penny with 4 coins, well, I'm thinking a £2 coin and a £2 coin, that's £4, and then a £1 coin, that's £5. So if he paid with a £5 note and then a £2 coin, a £2 coin, and a £1 coin, that's £10, and he's got one more coin, so that'll be the 1p. So he's paid with a £5 note, a £2 coin, a £2 coin, a £1 coin, and a 1p. And that's what he's used to pay for the book, which costs £10 and a penny with 1 note and 4 coins. Okay, let's look at our next question. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 3. So question number 3 says, Jai has exactly 3 coins, and we've been asked to circle the amount of money that she could have. And our options are 55p, 56p, 57p, 58p, and 59p. So in other words, which of these options can be made up with using 3 coins? So because they're all in the 50s and there's 3 coins, now if you're going to be going past 50p, you'd have to have, if you were using below 50p's, you'd have to have a 20p, a 20p, and a 10p. Now that's 3 coins in itself. So for all of these options, she's going to have to use a 50p coin. So there's a 50p coin, and then there's going to be 2 other coins. So we're looking to see which of these options can she make with 2 other coins. So 55p. Well, if she had a 50p, then she needs to have 2 coins to have 5p. Well, that's not possible, because if she had a 50p and a 5p, then she'd have to have 1 more coin, and she has to have exactly 3 coins, so she couldn't make 55p. Next, 56p. Well, she could have a 50p, a 5p, and a 1p. And if she had a 50p, a 5p, and a 1p, that's 56p, so she could have that amount of money, so let's circle it. 57p, well, it could be a 50p, a 5p, and a 2p, so you could have she could have 57p. In terms of 58p, well, that'd have to be a 50p, a 5p, a 2p, that's 57, and then a 1p. So that's 4 coins. You can't have that in 3 coins, so that can't work. And then 59p, again, she'd have to have a 50p, a 5p, a 2p, and a 2p. So she can't make that with 3 coins. And that's it. So circle the amount of money that she could have. If she's only got 3 coins, the amount of money she could have would be 56p and 57p. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 4. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 4. So question number 4 said, Jared buys a drink in a shop and he pays with a £5 note and he receives these coins in his change. So these are the coins that he receives in his change. He receives a £2, a £1, a 20p, and a 1p. And the question says, how much was the drink? So let's work out how much change he was given. So if we add these together, we've got £2 plus £1, that's £3, £3.20, £3.21. So he receives £3.21 in change. And if we take that away from £5, we can see how much the drink was. So let's take our £5 or 500 pennies and take away our 321 pennies or £3.21 and see what we get. Okay, so we've got 0 take away 1, so let's borrow. Well, there's nothing to borrow from, so let's borrow from the 5, and that's now 4, and that's a 10. Cross that off, that's now 9 and a 10. So 10 take away 1 is 9, 9 take away 2 is 7, and 4 take away 3 is 1. So that means that the drink costs 197p or £1.79. So the drink costs £1.79, and that's it. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 5. So question number 5 says, Christy has 3 50p coins, 4 20p coins, 1 10p coin, and 3 5p coins. How much money does she have in total? So let's work out how much money she has in total. So let's focus on the 50p coins to begin with. So the 50p coins, she's got 3 of those. So 3 times 50, well, 3 50s is 150, or £1.50. So if you've got 3 50p coins, that's £1.50. The 20p coins, which she's got 4 of those, so 4 times 20p is equal to 80p, so that's 80p. Next, 1 10p coin, so 10p coins, she's got 1 of those, so 1 times 10p is 10p. And then finally her 5p coins, she's got 3 of those, so the 5p coins, she's got 3 times 5p, and 3 5p coins is 15p. So if we add together £1.50, how much money she's got in 50p's, the 80p, which is what she's got in 20p's, the 10p and 10p's, and 15p and 5p's, if we add those amounts of money up, that'll tell us how much money Christy has in total. So let's add them up. 150 pence, 80 pence, 10p and 15p. When we add those up, we get 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 1 is 14, plus 1 is 15. So carry 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So that means that she's got 255p, or £2.55. So how much money does she have in total? £2.55, and that's it. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 6. So in question number 6, we've got these coins, and we're told that Lydia and Holly share the money equally, and we've been asked to list the coins that Lydia could receive. So they're going to share this money equally. So let's see how much money there is all together, and then divide it by 2 to see how much money they're going to receive each, and then list down some coins that Lydia could receive. So let's add up the pounds to begin with. £2, £3, £4, £5. So there's £5 there. And then the 50p's, that's another pound, so that's £6. So let's take those because we've added them up already. So £6. Now we've got £6.20, £6.30, £6.40, £6.50, £6.60. So that's £6.60. £6.65, £6.66, £6.67, £6.68, and then over 2p would be £6.70. So altogether there is £6.70. So let's half that to see how much money they receive each. So let's take our £6.70 and let's divide that by 2 to see how much they each receive. So half of £6 is £3, and half of 70p is 35p. So they each receive £3.35. So let's list down some coins Lydia could have. So she could receive a £2 coin, a £1 coin, that's £3. Now we need the 35p, so a 20p, a 10p, and a 5p. So let's write that down. She could receive a £2 coin, a £1 coin, a 20p, a 10p, and a 5p. And they're the coins that she could receive. You could do it in other ways. For instance, you could list all the other coins. You could say she received a £1, a £1, a 50p, a 50p. That's £3. £3.10, £3.20, £3.30, and then £3.35. So listen all of those coins. Or you can have it using other combinations. But so the coins that I've listed down that she could have would be a £2, a £1, a 20p, a 10p, and a 5p. And that's £3.35, which is half of the money. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 7. Okay, let's have a look at question number 7. So question number 7 says, Reese bought a new bicycle for £335 and he paid for the bicycle using £20, £10 and £5 notes. And we've been asked to work out the smallest number of notes that he could have used. And I've just realised this question's got no coins in it, and the booklet says coins. But in this question we've been asked the smallest amount of notes that he could have used. So in other words, he wants to pay £335 using £20, £10 and £5 notes, and he wants to use the lowest number of notes. Now because he wants to use the lowest number of notes, he wants to use as many £20 notes as possible. So let's see how many that would be. So let's count up in 20. So you could use 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, so 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320. And he wouldn't use another one because that'd be 340, and that's too many. Now in terms of how many notes he's used there, let's count him up and see how many £20 notes he used. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So he used 16 £20 notes. So he used 16 times £20 notes, so 16 times £20. That's 320. He still has £15 to pay. So that means he's going to use a £10 note, which would then be £330, and then he uses a £5 note as well. So he uses 16 £20 notes, one £10 note, and a £5 note. And altogether it says work out the smallest number of notes that he could have used. So that's going to be 18. So the answer is 18, and that's it. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 8. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 8. So question number 8 says, Natalie pays for a snack in a vending machine, and the machine accepts £2 coins, £1 coins, 50p coins, 20p coins, and 10p coins. It doesn't accept 5p's, 2p, or 1p coins, and the snack costs £3.60, and Natalie paid the exact amount, and she paid using 5 coins. Show how Natalie could have paid for the snack. So we want to find a possible way where she could pay £3.60 using 5 coins. So I'm thinking she could have used perhaps a £2 coin, and then a £1 coin, that's £3. She's still got 60p to pay, and she's got 3 coins to pay it in. So I'm then thinking a 20p, a 20p, and a 20p, because then that would be £3.60 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins. And that's it. So that's one way Natalie could have paid for the snack. Now part B says, show a different way Natalie could have paid for the snack. So we want to do it now in a different way. So this time I'm going to try this time using some 50p coins. So let's start off by using a £2 coin to begin with. So that's £2. And then a 50p coin, that'll be £2.50. Another 50p coin, that'll be £3. Another 50p coin, that'll be £3.50. She's still got 10p to pay because it's £3.60, so then a 10p coin. So she could have used a £2 coin and then 3 50p's, so that'll be £3.50, and then a 10p coin. And that's it. So there's 2 different ways she could have paid for the snack. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 9. So question number 9 says, Tegan buys a sandwich and a drink for £7.24. She pays with a £10 note and receives exactly 5 coins change. List the coins. So let's work out how much money she should receive in her change. She buys things that cost £7.24 and she pays with a £10 note. So if we take 1,000 pence and take away 724 pence and see what we get. So 0 take away 4, well, let's borrow. Well, no, let's cross off the 1, call it 0 and now a 10, cross that off at 9 and a 10, cross that off 9 and a 10. So we get 10 take away 4, that's 6, 9 take away 2, that's 7, and 9 take away 7, that's 2. So that means that she should receive £2.76 change. So that's how much money she should receive in change. And it says she receives exactly 5 coins. So let's see what she could have. Could she have a £2 coin? And now we need to do 76p in 4 coins. So that's a 50p. And then a 20p. So that's 1, 2, 3. And then a 5p and a 1p. And let's just check that. £2.76 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins. Fantastic. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 10. So question number 10 says, Bobby has got 12 50p coins and Trent gives Bobby 6 more coins and all of those coins have got the same value. Now the total value of the 18 coins, because he had 12 already and then he gets another 6, so he's now got 18 coins and the total value is £7.20. Write down the value of each coin that Trent gave Bobby. Well, he had 12 50p coins to begin with, so let's work out what 12 50p's are. So let's do 50p multiplied by 12. Well, 5 times 12 is 60, so 50 times 12 would be 600, so that's 600 pence or £6, that's £6. So 12 50p coins is £6, and that makes sense because 2 50p coins make £1, so if you get 12 of them, that'll be £6. And now he's got £7.20. So if we take the £6 that he had already away from £7.20, so £7.20 take away £6, that's equal to £1.20. So that means that Trent gave Bobby £1.20. Now he gave him 6 coins, so if we divide this by 6, we can find the value of each one of the coins that Trent gave Bobby because he gave him all 6 coins that have got the same value. So if we do £1.20 divided by 6, so £1.20 divided by 6, we'll find the value of each coin. So let's do that. 120 divided by 6. How many 6s go into 1? 0, remainder 1. How many 6s go into 12? 2. And how many 6s go into 0? 0. So that means that each coin was 20p. So that means that Trent gave Bobby 6 20p coins. And that would be £1.20. Adding on to the £6 that he had already is £7.20. So that's it. So what's the value of each coin that Trent gave Bobby? 20p. And that's it. Okay, let's have a look at our next question. It's a calculator question. Fantastic. So we can pick up our calculator. And Sarah has got the same number of 2p coins as 5p coins. So she's got the same number of coins. So she might have 100 2p coins and 100 5p coins. She might have 1,000,000 2p coins and 1,000,000 5p coins and so on. And Sarah's got £1.96 in £2. And Sarah's got £1.96 in 2p coins. I think that rules out the million. Okay. So the question says, how much money does she have in total? So let's work out how many 2p coins she's got. So she's got 196p in 2p coins. So let's divide it by 2 to see how many coins she's got. So 196 pence divided by 2p is equal to 98. So she's got 98 2p coins. So that's the number of 2p coins that she has. Now she's got the same number of 2p coins as 5p coins, so she's got 98 of those, and that means she must have 98 of those. So she's got 98 5p coins. So if we do 98 multiplied by 5, that'll tell us the value of the 5p coins. So 98 multiplied by 5 is equal to 490p, or £4.90. Now the question says how much money does she have in total? Well, she's got £1.60 in 2p coins. She's got £4.90 in 5p coins. If we add them together, that's how much money she's got in total. And it's a calculator question, so that's great. So it's going to be £4.90 plus £1.96, and that's equal to £6.86. So £6.86. So how much money does Sarah have in total? £6.86. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 12. So question number 12 says, Bernard's got 2 bags of coins, bag 1 and bag 2. And bag 1 contains £6 and 5p in 5p coins. And bag 2 contains 3 times as many coins as bag 1. And bag 2 contains just 2p coins. How much more money is in bag 2 than bag 1? So we know that he's got £6 and 5p in 5p coins. So if we divide £6 and 5p by 5p, we'll see how many 5p coins he's got. So that's 605p divided by 5p, and it's a calculator question. So if we do 605 divided by 5, that's equal to 121. So he's got 121 coins in bag 1. Now bag 2's got 3 times as many coins. So if we do 121 multiplied by 3, that's equal to 363. So he's got 363 coins in bag 2, and it contains just 2p coins. So if we do 363 multiplied by 2p, that'll be the value of the 2p coins. So 363 2p coins multiplied by 2 is equal to £7.26. So in bag 1, there's £6 and 5p. In bag 2, there's £7 and 26p. And we've been asked how much more money is in bag 2 than bag 1, so let's take them away. So £7.26 subtract £6 and 5p is equal to £1.21. So that means there's £1.21 more in bag 2 than bag 1, and that's it. Okay, let's have a look at question number 13. So question number 13 says, a 2p coin has a mass of 7 grams. And we've been asked to find the total mass of £30 of 2p coins. So let's work out how many 2p coins it would be in £30. So £30, that's 3,000 pence. And if we divide that by 2, that'll tell us how many coins it would be. So 3,000p, 3,000 pence, divided by 2 pence would be 1,500 coins. And each one of those coins has got a mass of 7 grams. So let's take the 1,500 and let's multiply by 7 grams, because each one of those coins has got a mass of 7 grams. And if we multiply by 7, that's equal to 10,500 grams. So that's the mass of the coins in grams. Let's give our answer in kilograms. So let's divide that by 1,000. So 10,500 divided by 1,000 is equal to 10.5 kilograms. So if you've got £30 of 2p coins, it'll weigh 10.5 kilograms, and that's it. So the answer is 10.5 kilograms. Now the question didn't say you had to give it in kilograms. You could have given your answer in grams, because it didn't say to give it in kilograms, but I just think it makes a bit more sense whenever you convert it into kilograms. Okay, let's have a look at question number 14. So question number 14 says, Annika has 10p coins, 20p coins and 50p coins, and in total she's got £72. She's got £4 in 10p coins. She's got 3 times as many 50p coins as 10p coins. And then we've been asked to work out the ratio of the value over 20p coins to her 50p coins. Okay, so she's got 10p coins, 20p coins and 50p coins. And she's got £4 in 10p coins. And we're told that she's got 3 times as many 50p coins as 10p coins. So let's work out how many 10p coins she's got, because we know she's got £4 in 10p coins. So £4, that's 400 pence, divided by 10. That tells us how many coins she's got. That's 40. So she's got 40 10p coins. So she's got 40 10p coins. Now we're told she's got 3 times as many 50p coins as 10p coins. So if she's got 40 10p coins, she's got 3 times as many 50p coins. So that means if we do 40 multiplied by 3, that's equal to 120. So that means she's got 120 50p coins. So she's got 120 50p coins. So 120 times 50p coins. And then the question asks us to work out the ratio of the value of her 20p coins and the value of her 50p coins. So we know how many 10p coins she's got. She's got 40 of them, and they're worth £4. She's got 120 50p coins. Let's work out their value. So 120 multiplied by 50 is equal to 6,000 pence, or that in pounds is £60. So she's got £60 in 50p's. She's got £4 in 10p's. Let's work out how much money she's got in 20p's. So 60 plus 4, that's £64 in total in 10p's and 50p's. She's got £72 in total, so 72 take away 64 is equal to £8. So that means she's got £8 in 20p's. Now the question says to work out the ratio of the value of our 20p coins to the value of our 50p coins. Well, in 20p coins, she's got £8. So that's £8. In 50p coins, she's got £60. So we just now need to write that as a ratio. So that's 8 to 60. And then let's cancel that down. They're both divisible by 2. So it's going to be 4 to 30. And we can divide by 2 again. So that's 2 to 15. So the ratio of the value of our 20p coins to the value of our 50p coins would be 2 to 15. And that's it. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 15. So question number 15 says, Kane has got 50p coins and 20p coins in the ratio 7 to 3. And that Kane has got £12 and 20p coins. How much money does Kane have altogether? So we know that he's got £12 and 20p coins. So let's divide £12 or 1,200 pence by 20p to see how many 20p coins he's got. So how many 20s going to 1? 0, remainder 1. How many 20s going to 12? 0, remainder 12. How many 20s going to 120? So it's going to be 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 120. That's 6. So that's 6. And then how many 20s going to 0? 0. So that means he's got 60 20p coins. So he's got 60 20p coins. And the question says, how much money does he have altogether? So we know how many 20p coins he's got. We know how the value of those 20p coins. So we now need to look at the 50p coins. And we're told the ratio of 50p coins to 20p coins is 7 to 3. In other words, for every 3 20p coins he's got 7 50p coins. So if we divide 60, the number of 20p coins, by its number in the ratio of 3, so 60 divided by 3, that's equal to 20. That's how many coins are in one part, and then if we multiply that by 7, that'll tell us how many 50p coins he has. So it's 20 multiplied by 7, well 2 times 7 is 14, so 20 times 7 is 140. So he's got 140 50p coins. So that's fantastic. We now know how many 50p coins he's got. We can then work out how much money he's got in 50p's and add that to the 12 that we know he's got in 20p's to find his total amount of money. Now, to do 140 50p coins, every time you've got two 50p coins, that's £1. So if we just divide this by 2, that'll be how much money he's got in 50p coins. So 140 divided by 2, well, 14 divided by 2 is 7, so 140 divided by 2 is 70. So that means he's got £70 in 50p coins. Now he's got £12 in 20p coins, £70 in 50p coins. If we add them together, 70 plus 12, that's equal to 82. So that means he's got £82 in total, and that's it. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 16. So question number 16 says classes 8S and 8T are asked to donate spare 1p, 2p and 5p coins to charity. And the chart below, this dual bar chart, shows information about the coins donated by each class. And in blue, you've got class 8S, and in yellow, you've got class 8T. And we know the number of 1p coins, 2p coins and 5p coins that each class donated. And then the question says work out how much more money was donated by class 8T, that's the yellow one, than the blue class, class 8S. So obviously if you have a look at it, 8T have donated more 1p, more 2p and more 5p coins, so they've obviously donated more money, and we just need to work out how much more money. Okay, so let's work out how much money was donated by each class. So I'm going to write down the number of coins above each one of these bars. So in terms of 1p coins, we've got 16 there, because it's 16. And then in terms of 1p coins for class 8T, so you've then got 24. In terms of the 2p coins in blue here, it's in between 8 and 12, so it's going to be 10 in the middle, so that's 10 2p coins by that class. And class 8T you've got in between, so you've got 16, then 18 and 20, so that's going to be 19, so 19 2p coins by that class. In terms of the 5p coins, you've got here, you've got 4 coins, so in the middle is 2 coins, so that's 1 5p coin was donated by class 8S, and then in terms of class 8T you've got 20, so they donated 25p coins. And now let's just work out how much money was donated by each class. So let's start off with class 8S, so that's the blue bar. So you've got 16 1p coins, so 16 multiplied by 1 is equal to 16p. Then we've got 10 2p coins, so 10 multiplied by 2p is equal to 20p. And then we've got 1 5p coin, so 1 multiplied by 5p is equal to 5p. And if we add those up, and it's a calculator question, but we can do it in our heads anyway, 16p plus 20p is 36p, plus 5 is 41p. So that means that class 8S donated a total of 41p. And then in terms of class 8T, that's the yellow bars, because if you go back up to our key, we've got in blue is class 8S, and in yellow we've got class 8T. So in terms of class 8T, so 24 1p, so 24 multiplied by 1 is 24p. Then in terms of the 2p's, they donated 19 of those, so 19 multiplied by 2, that's 38p. And then they donated 25p, so 20 multiplied by 5 is equal to 100, or £1. So they donated, if we add those up, again that's equal to £1.62, or 162p, or £1.62. Now the question says how much more money was donated by class 8T than 8S. So we just need to do £1.62 take away £1.62 41p, and that's equal to £1.21. That means that class 8T donated £1.21 more than class 8S, and that's it. Okay, let's have a look at our next question, question number 17. So question number 17 says, Finn would like to change coins in his money jar into notes and coins. And there's two machines that he could use. He could go to a machine in his local supermarket that charges a fee, a 10% fee. So whatever he puts in, they take 10% off of him. Or there's a machine in his local bank that doesn't charge a fee. And Finn chooses to go to his bank. So he wants to go to the bank and obviously receive all of the money. And after putting all his money into the machine, he receives this printout. So he receives this printout. And the question says, calculate how much money Finn saved by using the machine in the bank rather than the machine in the supermarket. So let's work out how much money he has in total. So he has 3 £2 coins. So 3 times £2, that's going to be £6. So those 3 £2 coins are worth £6. He's then got 19 £1 coins. 19 times 1 would be £19. He's got £19 in £1 coins. He's got 28 50p's. So if we do 28 multiplied by 0.50 or 0.5, that's equal to £14. So he's got £14 in 50p's. He's got 54 20p's. So if we do 54 multiplied by 0.20, so 54 multiplied by 0.20, 0.2 is equal to £10.80. So that's £10.80 in 20p's. He's got 184 10p's, so if we do 184 multiplied by 0.10 or 0.1, that's equal to 184 multiplied by 0.10 is equal to £18.40. 5p coins, so if we 209 multiplied by 5p, which is 0.05, that's equal to 209 multiplied by 0.05 is equal to £10.45. He's got 333 2p, so 333 multiplied by 0.02 is equal to £6.66. And finally, he's got 289 1p coins, that's going to be equal to £2.89. So we now know the totals for each of the coins. Now if we add them together, we'll find out the grand total. We'll find out how much money he put into that machine at the bank. So if we do 6 plus 19 plus 14 plus £10.80 plus £18.40 plus £10.45 plus £6.66 plus £2.89, that's equal to £88.20. So that means that Finn put £88.20 in the machine in the bank. Now the question says, how much money did Finn save by using the machine in the bank rather than the machine in the supermarket? So remember, the machine in the supermarket was going to charge him a 10% fee. So if we work out 10% of this amount of money, that's how much money the machine in the supermarket would have taken off of him. So let's work out 10% of this. So to find 10% of a number, you divide by 10. So if we take our £88.20 and divide that by 10, that's equal to £8.82. So that means that he saved £8.82 by using the machine in the bank rather than the machine in the supermarket, because the machine in the supermarket would have taken that off of him. And that's it. So the answer is £8.82. And that's it. So these have been the video solutions to the money practice questions that involve coins. I hope you found this video useful. If you have found it useful, please like it and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you need any extra help on this topic, if you go to Corbettmaths.com/contents and scroll down to video number 400A, that's the video tutorial there on money questions involving coins. And that's it. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye.